Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, The Moonlit Grimoire. My name is River, I'm a solitary Wiccan, and this is a channel where you can learn about anything witchcraft. Today we're doing an unboxing. Alright everyone, today we're opening Goddess Provisions. I believe it was called, it says Blue Moon Box. I find it very fascinating that it's called the Blue Moon Box. I'm pretty sure they had this all planned because August we have our blue moon. It's not just any blue moon though, it's a super moon. I think it's our second super moon in the same month, so this is a pretty cool cosmic event going on there. I posted about it on my Instagram, the Moonlit Grimoire Instagram page. Details about that are down in the description. And if you're all ready, let's begin. Oh, wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Renewed by the moonlight. That's a gorgeous Luna moth. I don't want to open it because it'll reveal what's in the box. I'm going to set that aside. Let me zoom out the camera a little bit. Okay, so hopefully that's better. The moment I opened this, I could already smell the incense in here. So I'll go ahead and grab this. It says incense cones, dragon's blood. Nice. Dragon's blood is a great amplifier for any spell. It comes with 20 of them. It's a very specific ingredient. It's very powerful and can be used for a lot of things. Put those over there. That smells amazing. I'm gonna sniff that real quick. Ah, that smells so good. There's a local metaphysical shop here in town that always smells like dragon's blood incense. I believe she mixes it with a few other things, and she uses it to cleanse the shop every like 4 hours, and then when they open and then when they close. And it always smells so good in there. Let's see what else we have. I don't think that did anything. I closed the window, but it didn't seem to get brighter in here. Well, hopefully it's not too dark. I did get some new lights, and I changed my area where I do present my videos. Not the boxes, but the other ones, just because this table seems to work best for the boxes. But I now am in the back room when I record, and I got some lights because it's pretty dark back there. But hopefully it's not too dark. Feel free to leave anything in the comments if lighting's not good or you can't see things. Please let me know. I love the feedback because I like to improve. So I saw tea, and I love tea. And that little container is so cute. Because it comes with 2 tea bags. What kind of tea is it though? It says it's the only fluorescent tea in the world. I didn't even know there was fluorescent tea. Palo Azul, which means blue stick. It gets its name because the bark of the plant is used to brew blue fluorescent tea. And the fluorescence is caused by polyphenols with many beneficial properties. So, and it's saying this tea has been used traditionally for over 500 years. That's interesting. I've never heard of any kind of fluorescent tea. And it's blue too. That looks cool. I'm already feeling this box is really neat for like of it just being a powerful lunar theme, you know? Not just any moon theme, but like blue moon. Put that there for now. Okay, so let's see what else we have. There's this really pretty bag, or there's this box. I'm gonna do this box just because I see the word incense. And I was curious if our cones might have some kind of incense burner for them. Yep, here we go. Incense holder. Moon goddess incense holder. A sacred place to hold your cleansing tools and help purify the energy in your sacred space. Good thing I read that because I completely shredded it. Oh no, this one's not for cones. It's just for regular incense. I was getting that from the photo. Oh, I think. Let's see. It says, let the smoke cleanse and clear as I release all worry and fear. I like that. It's cute. It's blue. I love how it's nice and ceramic. So according to the box, it says rope incense, stick incense, cone incense, and just burned bundles. So I take it. Okay. Oh, the rope hang from the. Okay, cool, cool. So based on the photos, if you got normal stick incense, it would just come out of the mouth there. If you have rope incense, you would hang this, and then the rope would hang from the hook here. And then cone incense would just sit on the plate, probably on one of the eyes, unless that seems to hold it better, but it would just sit on the plate, and then a bundle would just lay across it. The same way as the cones. So that's cool. I love how versatile it is. I can use it for multiple things. And it's just super cute. Blue. You can probably see the blue. Like a nice sky blue. It's got silver lining. I'll put that there. I'm gonna hold off on the little mesh bag. Let's open this one because this one's kind of been staring at the camera. So I'm assuming it's an oil. Ooh, it's an October one. Oh, cool. Let me get out of the bag. So it says it's a Blue Moon Ritual Mist. Looked at it a little bit and I couldn't really tell. Yeah, I couldn't really tell what was in it, and it's way too dark to really see anything. I do love it when sprays and oils come in dark containers because they keep longer. Yeah, it just says Ritual Mist and Crystal Infused Moon Water, but it doesn't tell me what ingredients are in it. But seems to be majority moon water. I will put that over there by the moon. I got some crystals poking out at me. Let's check those out. Another raw one. That, to me, I'm probably wrong, but the fact that I'm seeing some dark blue streaks in it, and it's very blue, the camera makes it look kind of yellowy, but the lighting's kind of terrible. It got some blue streaks. So my guess, so I got two guesses. One is calcite, Caribbean calcite, but I don't think it's teal enough for that. And then my other guess was lace agate. But I don't know if there's enough lacy lines in it for that, but it just depends on the stone. So we'll check that out at the end. That right there. And this one's pretty. This one to me looks like a tumbled version of the other stone. Because it might be hard to tell, but there's darker blue stripes in it. But it's not, yeah, there's a band going right there. Let me shine a light and see if this helps. Okay, I'm holding a light next to it. Yeah, you can see that blue stripe there. I don't know if that's blue lace agate because it doesn't look as lacy as I thought it'd be. So I don't know what that is. I don't know if there's a calcite that's just very blue like that without being completely blue. But that's cool. I'm really getting some lunar vibes from it though. It's gorgeous. And it's very square. I love it when I get square cut tumbles. I don't know why. It's just not something I see all the time. Maybe they just kind of stand out to me. And then let's see if the light helps this one. Yeah, you can see it's much lighter. But it's got that real dark stripe. But it's all blue, just different shades. So this has got to be a raw version of the tumbled one. I'll put those both right there. And then I'll keep my light on hand. What we got here? Gotta be a necklace. So it's how to care for it. Avoid water with this one. Stainless steel, nice. Okay, let's see what it is. Moon Tarot. It's the moon card. The Moon Tarot card. It's so shiny that it looks so blurry on the camera. I hope you can see that. So it says the number up at the top. And it says the moon. I know Goddess Provisions has been doing tarot necklaces for a while, but I don't know if this is like a past one or if this is like a new moon one. I haven't seen them myself, so I wouldn't know. It says, I embrace the phases of life. That's a really good affirmation. Back says, trust your intuition. I wonder if that lighting might help it. Hopefully you can see that. It's so shiny, it's really hard to tell unless you look at it at real up close or at a certain angle. That is cute. I love that. I might wear that on full moons. Might make that my full moon necklace. I'm gonna put that over here. I'll move the bag. I like the bag. Let's put the bag over here. This one says full relaxation. Oh, it's heavy. So Epsom salts, coconut milk, mind and body bath soak. Relieves anxiety and stress, relaxes the mind and body, and increases overall awareness. That's a really good ritual bath for just like getting ready for ritual or just calming down right before meditation or bed. So I'll just be brief on describing what it says on the back. Basically, it's saying that it helps with any kind of sore muscles, pains, sprains, and it's ideal for weekly use or just whenever full relaxation is needed. And it looks like you would use half a packet if you're a younger child. And one entire pouch seems to be the serving size. So our ingredients here, we got Epsom salts, baking soda's in it, lavender essential oil, powdered coconut milk, we got hemp seed oil, sorry. There's purple clay, which includes, I don't know how you spell that. Okay, I will show it. I don't know how to say that word. Colon and mica. We got, yeah, eucalyptus essential oil, coconut oil, and shea butter. Made in Idaho. It's made in Idaho, USA. And if you wanted to read this little blurb at the top, I like how heavy that is. I'm curious what color it is because it's got mica in it. Do you think it's purple? Maybe it's bluish. Let's open it. Oh, it smells so good. No, surprisingly, it's not. It's just like a yellowish, kind of white. It smells amazing. I could definitely smell the lavender. Mmm. Oh, that smells so good. I'm going to seal that up because my kitty does not do well with strong essential oil smells. So I'm going to put that in a Ziploc real quick. So I will put that there for now, and then I'll resort everything in a minute. The reason I did not open up the incense cones was because my cat is very sensitive. I normally burn larger incense and things outside. I've heard her wheeze before, and I normally, open all windows, have circulation of air going. We have an air purifier, everything else. And I'm just very, very cautious because she has breathing problems when I've got too strong of an incense, essential oil, things like that going. I don't even spray my perfume anywhere near her. It's just not good for animals in general. So I'll set everything up and then we'll go through and list off everything that was in the box. Okay, let's see what we got. So first thing listed on here says Camille Beckman Full Relaxation Mind and Body Bath Soak. Ease your mind and soothe your body with this all-natural, nutrient-rich bath soak. Indulge in the common scents of lavender and eucalyptus as healing purple clay refreshes your skin. I'm very excited for that one. That's our bath soak. The Moon Guys incense dish. I love that. I love how versatile it is. I can use basically every incense I've ever seen, I can use on that little tiny plate, and it's perfect. The tarot necklace. I've always wanted a tarot necklace. Oh, by the way, it's a $28 value. The incense plate was $22, and it was $4 for the bath soak, which is understandable. It's like a one-time use. And then the Magic Tea Palo Azul Fluorescent Alkaline Tea. This sounds amazing. I kind of want to make a glass just to see what it looks like. I'm very tempted to. I don't know if there is caffeine in it though. It didn't really say. It says that the fluorescence is an antioxidant. That's interesting. There's a coupon here. You're welcome to use that if anyone else wanted some of that tea. And then there's the October Occult Blue Moon Mist. So that's a moon water spray. Immerse yourself in the mystical essence of the blue moon with this uplifting blend crafted to amplify your intention and facilitate deep inner transformation. That's an $18 value. The tea was $10. 20% off that sounds pretty good. Go use that coupon. Here, now we're at the tumbles. Okay, I just read them. So we have, I don't know that first one. This one here, the tumbled one. I've never heard of I don't even know how to say that. Dumortierite? If it's called dumortierite, then I think I'm doing good. If not, if you know what that is, please put how to pronounce that in the comments. It's good for unlocking third eye chakra and activate unique psychic abilities with this high vibrational stone that enhances intuition, intellectual capacity, and connection with higher realms. Carry or wear it to attune yourself to higher knowledge. That is a $5 value. And the other stone is a blue quartz. It doesn't say it, but it is raw. I think because it didn't say tumbled, it's implying it's raw. That one says, embrace awareness, happiness, self-reliance, and vitality with this crystal that balances the throat chakra and enhances communication between the upper and lower chakras. Experience the positive energy and organizational abilities it brings to your life. That's a $7 value. I've seen blue quartz before, but all of the blue quartz that I've seen have just been dyed quartzes. This is actually like a natural blue quartz, so I wonder if there's another name for it. It's definitely not blue lace agate like I was thinking. So that's cool. I like it when I'm wrong because it means I have something new. And then I love this cute little picture here. And then probably a ritual. That must be what the tea looks like. I wonder, so the photo probably doesn't show it well, but I wonder if it's like red and then it has like, if you look at it at certain angles, it like glows blue. That sounds awesome. And they've got rope incense on there. I love that picture. It's so pretty. That's making me thirsty. And if you want to read through that, and that is everything for this box. I love that. That was great. My last two boxes have kind of been really disappointing. One of them was sent to me, and that was the morning and evening ritual box. That one I was just disappointed with. That was my last box that was sent. The one before that I bought, and that was the $200 summer, like big summer box. I was very disappointed with that one as well, especially since I bought that one and it wasn't a, like part of the surprise subscription. But that's everything for this moon box, and I give this one 10 out of 10 stars. This one was good. I enjoyed it. There's not a single item here that I can't use, and I love that. I have to be careful, cautious of my kitties. I gotta make sure that they're not around the bath salts and they're not around the incense. But I do that normally when I'm working with my practice. So I love that. Let me know what you think down in the comments.